Dear viewers, this is Shashank and you're watching Maharashtra Headlines. In the show, we update you with top news from the state of Maharashtra. Let's start with the show, but before that, if you're watching this on Facebook, do like our page, and if you're watching this on YouTube, do subscribe to HW News English. Parties in power are also in opposition. Maharashtra Navnirman Sena Chief Raj Thackeray on Wednesday deplored the ugly politics in the state, saying factions of the Shiv Sena and the Nationalist Congress Party are in power and also in opposition, reported NDTV. NCP leaders want Pawar to contest Lok Sabha polls from Madha. Amid a power struggle with his nephew Ajit Pawar, Nationalist Congress Party leaders from Madha Lok Sabha constituency in Solapur district have demanded that the party president Sharad Pawar contest from there in the 2024 parliamentary elections, reported Hindustan Times. OBCs receiving excessive benefits from reservation. Manoj Jarange Patil, the activist advocating for Maratha quota on October 18th, alleged that the other backward classes are receiving excessive benefits from the reservation system. He added that the Maratha community in the state should receive the quota benefits as originally recommended by the Mandal Commission for the Backward Classes, reported the Hindu. Praful Patel inaugurates new party office in Delhi. Two separate offices of the Nationalist Congress Party have been opened in New Delhi after the party was asked to vacate Ravi Shankar Shukla Lane headquarters since it has lost the national party status. Think Sharad Pawar will send his daughter to Gaza. Nationalist Congress Party chief Sharad Pawar is currently in the middle of a political furor over his remarks criticizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi for standing with Israel in their war against the terrorist organization Hamas. Reacting to Mr. Pawar's remarks, Assam Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sarma gave a bizarre response to Sharad Pawar's comments and said it seems like the Nationalist Congress Party chief will send his daughter Supriya Sule to Gaza to fight for Hamas, reported the NDTV. That's it for this episode of Maharashtra Headlines. For more such news and updates, subscribe to HW News English.